everybody. Today we are at North Street level crossing in Feilding, which up until 2019 had Griswold mechanical bells. However, in 2019, unfortunately, the bells were replaced, and this was the last level crossing in Feilding to have mechanical bells. So what do we have? We have two Western Cullen Hayes E bells on either side of the crossing, as you can see, and then we've got 6 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights. The lights on 3 sets on either side, and then we also have McKenzie and Holland barrier mechanisms, as you can probably see there from Australia, which McKenzie and Holland barrier mechanisms are actually quite rare in New Zealand now. In New Zealand now, with Queen Street and Levin, that used to have them, but they got replaced last year with Western Cullen Hayes barriers. Although I believe Bath Street has still got them, but yeah. Anyway, we've got Westinghouse Control Boxes too over there, as you can see. So yeah, there's not really much else to see here. So if that's said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.